Hello everyone, in this video I will explain how to create a Facebook business page without using your personal Facebook account. First, let's make something clear. Facebook does require a personal account to manage any business page. There is no way to create a Facebook business page without first having a Facebook account. But that doesn't mean you have to use your own personal profile. You can create a separate personal account just for business use. Once your new Facebook account is created, it's time to make the business page. Log in to your new account. On the home page, look at the top menu and click on it. Then choose Page. Now, tap Create. Facebook will now ask for some details. First, enter your business name. Then choose the category that best fits your business. After that, add a short description of what your business does. This helps people understand what your page is about. Next, customize your page. Upload a profile picture that represents your business. This can be your logo or a professional image. Then, add a cover photo. This image should match your brand and give visitors a clear idea of what your business offers. Fill in the rest of the business details. Add your contact information, including your phone number, email, and website if you have one. Make sure this information is correct and easy to read. With this setup, you now have a professional Facebook presence that does not mix with your personal life. Thank you for watching.